Right here on a Sunday, it stopped raining. I'm gonna walk down Main Street to show you guys what's going on in Sturgis for 2023 on Main Street. So let's take a quick walk. Let's go see all the action on Main Street here in Sturgis, South Dakota, guys. Come on. Guys, here with trustno1clothing.com on Main Street right here across Charlie's Grill. If you can't find him, just Google Charlie's Grill and Trust No One. You guys see me wear my hat all the time, right? trustno1clothing.com. You guys come out and check out Eric. Eric's a cool, kick-ass guy. Come out here because you know the saying, trust no one. Or if you want this hat, go to trustno1clothing.com. All right, guys, come on. It's time to go check out the party. Make a quick pit stop inside the Dungeon Bar to go find Laura. Come on, guys, let's go find Laura real quick. Is Laura back there? Where's she at now? Laura?
I think she might be in the back.
Okay.
It's the dungeon.
No, she's over here, yeah. There she is. There's Laura. So you guys, if you come to the Dungeon Bar, come check out Laura. She's selling all kinds of Dungeon Bar merchandise right here, right? And I keep telling you guys, right? Look, she has the original ponytail holder. I know that a lot of people that buy Marie's headbands like different options, right? You have different options. So you guys get a chance. Laura has the original. Here's her HD one, ponytail holder. So support our local small businesses right here. All right, so you guys come down and check out the Dungeon Bar. All right, guys? Yeah. Dungeon Bar, guys, right here. Let's continue. That was Miss Laura. Let's go check out what's going on the rest of Main Street. Come on. down Main Street.
Dave said he was over by Domino's having ice cream.
Dave.
Dave.
Okay, we'll go find him. Is he with you? I like that. I love that. A bumper car. That's funny.
Believe how many people don't know what kind of chassis? 700 Honda.
It's a bumper car with a 700 Honda chassis on it. Amazing. In the sun.
I know, me too. I'm ready for a drink now.
Go take a shot of Goldschlager.
I'm getting parched.
You need some energy. Go get a shot of Goldschlager.
I need a lemonade. That's what I need. One of those strawberry fruity lemonades.
Where's your right hand man? Bro, see you. Dave here in Sturgis 2023. We got Mr. Horny Dave over here.
Hey, Horny Paul.
Horny Paul.
And his brother Paul.
And his brother Paul.
Twin brothers.
Twin brothers here, Horny Dave and Horny Paul.
Yeah.
They go to Daytona every year. They come up to Sturgis every once in a while. Well, actually 17 years. And then Paul hasn't been here since 1994. 2004. 2004.
This is the second time.
Second time. So you guys get a chance. You can't miss him. He's got the hula hoops, everybody. Are you gonna do?
Oh,
All right,
he's gonna give me.
hold on. Hold on. Hold on. He's gonna do a hula hoop real quick. Let's see. Yeah, he's good at hula hooping right there. He's really good at hula hooping over here.
Yeah, come have some fun. Sturgis 2023.
Hell yeah. Jack's at the end of the main street. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like, share, and subscribe. This is only Sunday, so hopefully you guys stick around and check it out because we got more videos coming out for the rest of the week, guys. Take care. God bless. Ride safe, and we'll see you soon. Peace.